everyone. Today I will share a new and easy way to protect tomatoes. There is nothing excited to wait for tomatoes to grow, and we can imagine how delicious and delightful when we eat these tomatoes. But something frustrating happened. One morning I noticed some tomatoes fell onto the ground and eaten by squirrel or some kind of creature. So each day more and more tomatoes were destroyed by squirrels. So I looking for some way to prevent this thing from happening again. So you may notice, maybe you know, some spice liquid may work because squirrels, just like humans, don't like spice taste. If we spray this liquid onto the tomato, the squirrel will stay away from tomato. So I follow the instruction by chopping hot pepper into small piece and put onto this bottom and spray them onto the tomato. But unfortunately, even more tomato was destroyed by the squirrel. So I have no choice. One day I walk my daughter and met one of our neighbors. She plants tomatoes both near the main street and in her backyard. The tomato near the main street are safe because the car run all day long and there are big noise. So the squirrels are afraid to run to eat the tomatoes, but in her backyard, it's a total different story. Squirrel will run to eat the tomatoes. So my neighbor had to put some fence around the tomato plant. So she also suggests me to do the same thing next year. But I can't wait to next year. I should save tomatoes this year. So I figured out one way, maybe easy and new to you. So I use some plastic bag to wrap the tomato and hide them at the bottom. So I just do this experiment. I'm not sure if it will work. Fortunately, it works because 2 days passed by and no more tomatoes are destroyed by squirrels. So I was so excited to share my way with you and hope if you face the same problem, you can try this way too. If it works, don't forget to leave a comment and let us know. So hope you enjoy your sweet and delicious tomato soon. Thank you.